yourself high five. DDP. Too cool. Yo, monkeys, it's me, DDP. That's right, Diamond Dallas Page, the king of bada bing, the master, the diamond cutter, the three-time world champion. You know you weren't getting this world championship title in a box of Cracker Jacks or at Toys R Us, because this is the real deal. That's right, it's the Hall of Famer and founder and CEO of DDP Yoga, better known today as DDPY. Why, monkeys? I'll tell you why. Because I'm trying to get people to stop calling it just effing yoga. That's why. But I'm not here to talk about the greatest transformation fitness workout on the planet. I'm here to let you know, monkeys, that you're watching RoC. That's right, baby, the RoC. RoC only at rocwrestling.club. And that's not a bad thing, monkeys. That is a good thing. Bang!